If the dryer drum is overloaded, or if a support roller, glide, bearing, or pulley fails, the drum belt may begin to slip and be unable to spin the drum. The belt can also fray and eventually break. When the belt breaks, you may hear the motor running, but the drum will not rotate. On some models, a broken belt will activate a switch that prevents the motor from running. You can tell if a drum belt has stretched or broken by attempting to rotate the drum by hand. If the drum spins easily, you'll know the belt has no friction against the outside of the drum, and a new belt will need to be installed.